Question is, explain how CFCs break ozone in the stratosphere. So CFCs are non-toxic, non-inflammable, means they don't react with oxygen, and they are extremely stable chemical compounds. They are rather chemically inert and do not dissolve in rain after being released into the atmosphere. So overall they are chemically inert in nature, so they don't react with anything. So they finally mix up with the atmospheric gases. Then they will be carried by the winds and finally reach the stratosphere without being modified, as they are inert in nature. Then in the stratosphere, they get broken down by powerful UV radiation, and then they will release chlorine free radicals. For example, this is an example of a CFC, which is Freon 12 CF2Cl2. On its exposure with UV, it will produce a chlorine free radical along with the CF2Cl radical. Now this chlorine free radical then reacts with stratospheric ozone to form chlorine monoxide radical and oxygen gas. Here is the reaction. The chlorine free radical, on reacting with ozone, produces chlorine monoxide radical along with the oxygen gas. Now this further chlorine monoxide free radical react with atomic oxygen and produces more chlorine free radicals. Here is the reaction. Thus, this chlorine-free radical that destroys ozone is now regenerated at the end, and therefore a single chlorine-free radical destroys millions of ozone molecules, which eventually result in the depletion of ozone layer. Other chemicals responsible for the depletion of ozone layer in the similar manner are methyl chloride, methyl bromide, carbon tetrachloride, bromofluorocarbons or halogens, methane and nitrous oxide. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.